Good morning, students. The program is BCom, subject New Venture Planning, semester third semester, University Vijayanagara Sri Krishna Devaraya University, Ballari. Session is 35. The search for entrepreneurial capital, control for evaluating new venture proposal. Learning objectives: to understand the role of venture capital firms, then to understand about venture capital investment criteria, then to understand about common venture capitalist evaluation criteria. Learning outcomes: the purpose of this studies is to explore and analyze business plan, then evaluating and values of entrepreneurship education programs and their impact upon new venture creation. Recap session: venture capital is financing that investors provide to startup companies and small businesses that are believed to have a long-term growth potential was discussed. Venture capitalist criteria, meaning venture capital investment refers to the capital invested into risky ventures to obtain a very high rate of returns. So ನಾವು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ, ವೇರ್ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಹೈ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ದೆರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಹೈ ರಿಸ್ಕ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೈ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ರಿಸ್ಕಿ ವೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ because to obtain a very high rate of return, nothing but a profit. Then venture capital investment criteria are the methodologies followed by venture capitalists to select appropriate ventures for the investment. It is a method in which the venture capitalist going to select appropriate ventures for investment. Then basic criteria: venture capital investments are never pay with payoff and keep an exit plan. Criteria of evaluating new venture proposal: major categories of venture capitalist screening criteria: entrepreneur's personality, entrepreneur's experience, product or service characteristics, market characteristics, financial consideration, nature of the venture team. The stages in venture capital: seed, then early stage, formative stage, later stage and balanced stage. 5 stages in venture capital: seed, first one; second one early stage; third one formative stage; fourth one later stage; fifth one balanced stage. Criteria used by venture capitalist to evaluate a new venture: common venture capitalist evaluation criteria, clean intellectual property portfolio, especially in early stage technology firms. The team of sector, next financial indicators, then entry valuation, then exit route, then due diligence. ವೆಂಚರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಕ್ರೈಟೇರಿಯಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ 50% ಆರು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ 40%, acquisition and leveraged buyouts 30% ROI. ದೆನ್ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಟರ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ವೇರ್ ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಹೈ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಹೈ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೇರ್ ದೆರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೋ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಲೋ ರಿಟರ್ನ್. Significant venture capital investment criteria are: more risk more return, company's profile, company's development stage, business model, management team, company's valuation, the exit plan. Okay. More risk more return. significant venture capital investment criteria ನೋಡಿ. More risk, more return. Company's portfolio, company's profile. Company profile, company's development stage, business model, management team, company's valuation, and the exit plan. Venture capital investment process. Venture capital investment process. Process involving venture capital investment steps are: first one, deal organization, then screening, evaluation or due diligence, then deal structuring, then post investment activity, then acquisition by another company, then purchase of the venture capitalist shares by promoters. Methods of venture financing. Forms of venture capital in India. Types of venture capital in India. Equity. VCFCs in India provide equity, but contribution does not exceed 49% of the total 49% of the total equity capital. Effective control and majority ownership of the firm remains with the entrepreneur. No pressure on their cash flows and no obligation to pay dividends if the enterprise does not have a liquidity. Okay. Venture capital funds finance in India provide equity, but contribution does not exceed 49% ಗಿಂತ contribution ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Then effective control and majority ownership of the firm remains with the entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs effective control and majority ownership ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. Then ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರದ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ their cash flows and no obligation to pay dividends if the enterprise does not have a liquidity. Then conditional loan. It is repayable in the form of royalty after the venture is able to generate sales. No interest is paid on such loans. Venture capital funds charge royalty ranging between 2 to 15% in India. Then income note. A unique way of venture financing in India, a hybrid security which combines the features of both conventional loan and conditional loan. Other financing methods. A few venture capitalists, particularly in the private sector, started introducing innovative financial securities like: first one, participating debentures; second one, partially convertible debenture; third one, cumulative convertible preference shares. Then last one, CCPs are attractive as the shareholders do not have the right to vote. MCQs. The source of venture capital funding has: A, shifted from wealthy individual to pension funds and corporation; B, shifted from pension fund and corporation to wealthy individual; C, decreased since 1990; D, none of the above. Answer is A. Answer is A, shifted from wealthy individuals to pension fund and corporation. Second one, a typical venture capital firm has a dash number of investors who each contribute a dash amount of many to the firm. A, large small; B, small large; C, large large; D, small small. Okay, answer is B, small large. A typical capital firm has a small number of investors who each contribute a large amount of money to the firm funds. Third one, the 20-year average return of venture capital firms has been about: A, 50%; B, 8%; C, 20%; D, 100%. So the answer is C, 20%. Fourth one, the earliest examples of finance companies date back to the beginning of the 1800s when Retailers offered: A. Installment credit to customer, B. Balloon loan to customer, C. Zero interest loans to customer, D. All of the above to the customer. The answer is A. Installment credit to customers. Fifth one, finance companies. A are money market intermediaries, B borrow in large amount but lend is in small amount, C are virtually unregulated, D all of the above. So the answer is D, all of the above. References: Andres KR 1965, The Concept of Corporate Strategy, Dow Jones, Erwin Homewood, second. Bertlim J 2011, Agency and Institutional Influences on Franchising Decisions, Journal of Business Venturing. And then next, David FR 2007, Strategic Management Concept and Cases, 11th edition, Prentice Hall, New York. So today's session we learned about venture capitalist criteria, meaning of venture capital investment, that is the capital invested into risky ventures to obtain very high rate of return. Then stages in venture capital: seed, early stage, formative stage, later stage, balanced stage. And risk and return criteria: highest risk, highest return. uh, there is a basic assumption that where there is a highest risk there is a highest return, where there will be a low risk low return. Okay. Then methods ನೋಡಿವಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ: equity, conditional loan, income note, and other financing method. Thank you.